Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In this one I'm showing you how to use Google Chrome safety check feature. So in order to do that, three dots right here, click, then you go to settings, then you navigate to autofill and passwords, then with your mouse you go to passwords and autofill, and then go to password manager. And then guys, you just need to click on checkup, and it's going to be happening instantly. And this will check your passwords for the ones that have been maybe found in a breach databases. So pretty much that means your password is now inside a certain site that is now no longer working properly, and you have to either change it or delete it. So pretty much the worst old password that was used there, never use it again in any other websites. So yeah, this is how you check your passwords for safety. Alright, and after that you're good to go guys. Now you should be safe. Enjoy the video as always, and don't forget to like it and subscribe.